Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today is time for my Boxy Luxe unboxing. I'm super excited. This box is ginormous, and I'm excited. So I do know pretty much everything that's going to be in this box this time. I did see a lot of spoilers, but I know there's some that are like variations of things. So hopefully I haven't seen everything in this box. I'm very excited. This is the second Boxy Luxe I've done. I don't know where to put it because it is so massive and I do not have table space. Really need to work on that. That's the plan for today, is to clean the apartment because we are leaving for Chicago on Monday. So I'm gonna try to get all this done like ASAP and take care of all of that. So let's just kind of set all that stuff over there and go ahead and dive in as I knock everything down. Okay, so opening the box, the first thing that it has in here is this card. It says, I don't know what it says, La Vicken Rose. Sure, it's in French or something. I don't know what language that is, but I'm gonna assume French. So there's that, and the first thing in the bag is of course your monthly bag, which you do get every 3 months. When you get the Boxy Luxe, it does come with a bag every month. I don't remember what bag came last time, honestly, but this one's cute. Looks like it's actually gonna be fairly big. Let's take a look at that. Yeah, actually this is a pretty nice size case. It's cute, it's like a rose gold, but it's also like holographic. Like I said, I am going to Chicago here in a few days, so maybe I'll take this with me. This is cute. It looks like I carry quite a bit of stuff. What's in here? Anything? No, there's not like any compartments or anything in there for like brushes, but it's still cute and it's still big, so it could definitely be, oh, it smells weird. It could definitely be something I take with me to Chicago though. Retail value for this is 20 doll hairs, so kind of expensive for a bag, but that's okay. The next thing in here are these brushes. These are by Moda Pro. These are the powder and soft glow brushes. This is excellent for wet and dry product, waterproof metallic handle, sturdy aluminum, professional quality fibers, and they are 100% cruelty free and vegan. I do believe everything in this bag or box this time is cruelty free. Ooh, they're like metallic pink. I can always use more brushes. I am running low on space for brushes, but I tend to not wash my brushes very often, so I'm always in need of them. So these are cool. And I don't really like spending money on brushes, so when they come in subscriptions, I get excited. Okay, so these are very lightweight. Feels nice, very soft. Okay, so I would use this probably for highlighting or for like brushing away powder or eyeshadow under my eyes. Probably what I would use that for. And this one I would probably use for blush. This is kind of like a awkward length. I could make it work though. This one's not as soft, but it is still soft. Okay, so that's fun. The brush set retails for $30 for 2 brushes. Cute. Okay, next thing in here are these guys. These are by Deborah Lippman, and these are a Oh Donna and Modern Love nail set. So it's 2 nail polishes. These retail for $20. I'm assuming the full size is $20. So these are probably half size, so I would say 20 for both. These are really pretty colors. This color is gorgeous. It's got like a almost like a shift to it. Like it's pink and then it has like almost like a green like scale color shift to it. And it's got a duochrome sparkle in there. And then this one's just like a matte rose blush color. I like to do like one, I made ring nail one color and the rest a different color. So I probably put this all over and then do this as per pop of color. This one is Modern Love, and this is Oh Donna. So these are cute, exciting. Nail polish isn't like my favorite thing in the world to get, but I do enjoy them. Next thing in here is by Iconic London. This is the eyebrow cushion in the shade medium. Hopefully that'll work for me. Eyebrow cushion. Is it like a gel type thing or like a foundation cushion? Packaging is cute. It does pick up a lot of fingerprints already. Okay, so you open it, there's a nice size mirror in there, and you get a little, oh, this is super cute. It like rotates. It's a brush on one side and a spoolie on the other. So that's cute. As you guys probably have noticed by now, I really suck at doing brows, so I kind of just stick with what I know and go from there, but I'm down to try this. So you pop this open and it's got like a little seal. Let's go ahead and break this. I'm not gonna try it right now, obviously, but I will try it soon. I've kind of been collecting products to try to do a full face of first impressions. So after I go to Chicago and get a few more things, hopefully I'll have enough for that. Okay, so that's a good shade color. I feel like I could smell something, but I don't think it's that. I kind of want to like, oh yeah, oh, okay. That was a bad idea. So it is very much a liquid product. I'm gonna go ahead and like swatch this, I guess. Oh, that's weird. Okay, now that it looks like something gross on my hand, let me just kind of like wipe that away real quick. Okay, cool. So I am excited to try that. I will have to keep you guys posted. I'll probably try that in my upcoming full face of new products video. I can't talk. This thing, I'm gonna save that because I'm excited about that. This is the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. Super exciting. I love peel off masks. This was definitely something that I knew we were getting. This is $34. Okay. Containing a blend of skin-loving acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, I don't remember, mangosteen, and green tea leaf extracts. The Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask instantly purifies and replenishes dull skin. Excess oils and impurities are drawn out and absorbed by kaolin clay. That's hard to say. Minimizing the appearance of enlarged pores. Sweet. This rose gold skin-saving peel-off mask dries quickly and peels off effortlessly, revealing a smoother, clearer, and brighter complexion. Sounds like amazing things that I need in my life, so that's exciting. I will definitely give this a try. I might take this with me to Chicago because I've been to Chicago once a while ago. We're going for Dylan's birthday. We're going to go see the Chicago Bulls and the Lakers. He's a Lakers fan. He's a LeBron fan more accurately. So we're gonna go see them for his birthday, and then we're probably gonna do some shopping and go to Dave & Buster's for my birthday. His birthday was the 15th of February and mine was the 28th of February. So we're going a little late, but so anyway, off that tangent. I have been to Chicago once before, and I know the weather there is like super windy and very, very cold air. So this might be something that saves my skin there. So I'll probably take this with me. Okay, so this is something that I'm not super excited about. These are Lily lashes. They're faux mink, limited edition lashes. I'm pretty sure these are made just for Boxycharm because they don't have a style. Oh yes, they do. Gaia. So I don't know if these are made for Boxycharm or not, I guess. These retail for $25, $24.99. These are very beautiful and I like them a lot. I just don't wear fake lashes like ever, but I will definitely hold on to these for any special occasion. Maybe on my wedding day I'll wear them or something. They're really pretty. So next thing, this is a little disappointing, but Boxycharm did reach out to me about this. This is the Cover FX palette. I knew I was getting this. They reached out to me and I think several other people saying that they accidentally mismatched our profiles, because I am obviously very fair skinned and this is the medium to deep palette, so it's definitely way too dark for me. I'm not even gonna swatch it because I don't want to ruin it. I'll probably just give it to a friend or maybe put it in a giveaway or something because I'm definitely not gonna get any use out of it. But it is really beautiful. I might be able to use that one highlight there, maybe, but I feel like it'd be a waste for me to just use that one thing. So like for instance, that's a finishing powder. Obviously too dark for me, but they did reach out to me and let me know that, hey, they messed up some of the stuff. It happened to several people. I was one of them. And then they did credit us, how much is this palette? $45. They credited us the amount in Boxycharm points that this is worth so that we could buy something else. So I thought that was pretty cool. I mean, obviously I would have liked to get my right shade and be able to use it and swatch it for you guys, but I get things happen, so at least they reached out, at least they tried to fix the issue. So I was pretty happy about that, I guess. Next thing in here, this is by Becca. This is super exciting. I do not have a lot of Becca products. This is, what are you called? The Ultimate Lipstick Love. It's $24. Oh, no. Okay, I see the shade color now. It's in the shade Scarlet. Now I'm a little disappointed. I like red lips a lot. I've worn them several times, but if I want a red lip, I usually go for a liquid lip because lipsticks tend to bleed. This packaging is beautiful, like honestly. So let's see how red the, oh yeah. Ooh, smells good. I don't know what that smell is, but it smells good. Let's go ahead and swatch this. Very creamy. Very beautiful. So I will definitely try this. I'm not gonna be like super oh my god about it, but I will try it, but I'm probably not gonna love it. It says Becca right there. It's very beautiful. I'm gonna like the way it looks. Oh, it's magnetic. I love that. So I'm gonna like the way it looks, I'm sure, but I don't love red lipsticks. So that's unfortunate, but so excited, still really pretty. This is the thing in here that I was like stoked about when I saw it. This is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. This retails for $48. I have put this in my cart and taken it out so many times because I wanted to try it so bad. You guys know I have terribly dry skin, but this is expensive, so I always put it back. But I am so excited to own it. This is like a healthy jar. Let's see. What do you smell like? Oh, it smells very lemony. Like a citrus. Smells good. Okay. I am not going to use this right now because I am not going to waste any of it. I am so excited. I will definitely keep you posted on what I think about this, but I am excited for this. I didn't think I would ever get this excited over getting a moisturizer, but like I've wanted this for a long time. And it says, developed with plastic surgeons, Confidence in a Cream is your new #1 anti-aging moisturizer. Perfect for all skin types, even the most sensitive. This quick absorbing super cream immerses your skin in moisture, restores visible radiance, reduces the look of pores, need that, discoloration, lines and wrinkles, and improves the look of firmness. You'll see powerful results instantly and more dramatic results over time. Super excited. I will for sure be taking that with me too. I'm gonna need a bigger bag. And the last thing in here is this guy. This is by Morphe. It's the 15B Brunch Babe palette. I knew we were getting one of these, but I know there's several variations that you can get. I'm not sure which this one is, but the only Morphe palettes I own are the Jaclyn Hill ones. So I am super excited to see if the formula is consistent. Looks like this. Very sleek, very plain, I guess, but still pretty. And then opening it, ooh, very pinky. This would be beautiful for Valentine's Day. I don't really have much like this, so I'm excited. That whipped cream color, oh my god, that would be beautiful as a highlight. Let's swatch some of these. I'm feeling this Bellini color here. Okay, and then let's do Squad. And then let's do Black Coffee. I'm always interested to see if the blacks are good. Ooh, okay. So this is ooh, that's pretty. Look at that black, you guys. Okay, Morphe, I see. Ooh, okay, the black kind of like got everywhere. But that's okay, we'll make it work. I'm excited about this palette. I don't really have like a lot of shades like this. Trying to find a makeup remover wipe here. I don't really have like a lot of shades like this, so this is exciting. That black is not coming off. Cute, okay. Nice. Okay, anyway, so that black does not want to come off. Oh, that red didn't come off very well either, but that's usually a good thing when it's lipsticks, is that it doesn't come off with a dry cloth. Oh my gosh, I just dug my nail into that so hard. Can you see that? Right there, in the excellent color. I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah, you can. Oh my goodness. It's not even a long nail. It's the one I just broke. Like, okay, cute. Anyway, that's all the products I got in this month's box. I'm super excited to try these. I will definitely be putting this in that video to try soon because I want to try it. So, yeah. How much does this retail for? This retails for $16. That's not bad at all. 15 shades for $16. I can get down with that. So, anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe before you go if you want to see future unboxing videos and more of my crazy hair and all of them. And yeah, let me know down below what you guys got in your box this month, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.